How would you fancy a scalp of that, huh? Well, of course, I needn't tell you what that is. That's a Shillelagh. And oddly enough, Shillelagh is the name of this place in County Wicklow where we are. Now, Jack Ryan here has been making shillelaghs all his life, and his father before him. Isn't that right, Jack?
That is correct.
Now, it's interesting now. It's interesting to be in the, we'll say, the birthplace of the Shillelagh.
Shillelagh Oak.
Yes.
The oak, it was a great place for oak timber.
Yeah.
And the blackthorn originated, and the oak,
Yeah.
oak walking stick originated from around here.
Yeah. Yeah. But how did the name Shillelagh come to be associated with an offensive weapon like that? Were the people around here noted for fighting or
No,
troublemakers or what?
no.
But what did they want with them?
No, those were the shillelaghs were in the old times for the policemen up their sleeve when they noticed he is a baton.
Because you wouldn't get that
For
out
to
of
defend themselves. When they're not all as big as that.
Yeah.
There's some of the policemen nowadays are not that tall either.
Well, of course, that's the truth.
They were all big men in their old days, but they're gone smaller now.
That's
they're not
true.
eating enough to start about.
Possibly not.
But,
right. That's true.
They said that was they said that the Shillelagh originated, or the meaning of Shillelagh is
What are you doing at all? Well, let's see. Is there something in there that you want out? A £10 note with it?
No, it is not.
Oh, heavens involved.
Because I haven't had one of them this long time.
What, a £10 note?
Yes.
They're scarce, all right. Oh, you have some notes on it.
Yeah. It's in the other coat, I think. Isn't it?
Well, shouldn't matter. Rattle away there. What were you going to tell me?
I was going to tell you that the meaning of that Shillelagh was
You have it.
I might have it and I might not too. No, that's a bill.
A bill? Oh, well.
That's worse.
That's enough. God, that's a massively deep pocket. You have everything in there.
That's a good one.
Have you got your will in there as well?
I think I'm nearly right now, Mr. Frank. No.
That's the number of your car.
I don't know.
Never mind about it. Just tell me, what's the raw material?
The raw material is blackthorn or oak.
Blackthorn or oak?
Yeah. Any hardwood, providing it's blackthorn or oak. What are those now? Just.
Oh, I see. So
What
let
are
me have a
those?
look at that.
That's for making the Shillelagh now.
And what's that?
That is a holly.
A holly?
But a blackthorn, I can have a blackthorn on the same pattern as that, just the same for to make the Shillelagh.
Yeah. But this will do as well.
Oh yes, that's hardwood too.
Right, now, you get your piece of wood. What happens next?
You'll have to dress it,
What does that mean?
do it all up to get it to that.
Yeah.
And then you have to clean it with sandpaper and varnish it.
Yes.
And that's the end.
The bulk of them, I take it, go to America.
Yeah, American.
What's the attraction, do you think, to Americans to have?
Well,
have a thing like
the
this?
attraction is that people comes to Ireland to like to get something to go back from their native place where they were born, men being reared.
Right.
And then there's other people that see those and say, where did you get them? Oh, I got them I was down in Ireland. I was in Ireland on my holidays.
Right.
And I just got this is a souvenir.
Right.
I bring it back from Ireland.
But does it not make us look like a terrible collection of paddies, this sort of thing hanging up, and they say, good God, what do the Irish do with that? They say, oh, what do you think they do? They beat the tripes out of one another with it. It gives it a bad name abroad, does it not?
Well, maybe that talk hasn't got as far as that yet.
What?
Maybe it's only, we leave that in Ireland. We won't bring that along with the Shillelagh. The bad news, that doesn't travel. Of course it travels farther than the good news.
Doesn't travel, because I think the bad
know
news
it
travels faster than the good news.
I know that.
Well, at least it does to me, anyway.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But that's why we don't want like that now. For to have it to say this, now we have to use Shillelagh to offend ourselves. The people is more educated today than they were them old days.
You think so?
They were a little bit.
Well, I don't know.
They were. They should know how to walk with a stick now and know how to handle the Shillelagh too.
It must be a very pleasant hobby for you.
Ah, yeah. When you have nothing else to do and you be on your own and you're getting old.
Yeah.
You see.
Well, no, you're not that old. You're a bit young to be complaining about getting old.
Oh, well, I am old now.
Yeah,
well over 60.
Yeah.
And that wouldn't be too young either.
No.
And again, I carry those on me back. I let him seize them. and then try to have to get a fella to bring him around for me. Sometimes it doesn't be always sunshine.
Oh, well, now you said it.
It's not always sunshine. And I tell you the truth, it's very hard work.
Oh, it must be.
Yeah, it is very hard work.
I can well believe it.
Because I haven't the machinery to do it, and I have to do it with my own little tools that I haven't.
Right.
Just a rasp and a little hatchet and a saw. And you want machinery for the job, by right, you know.
Well, at any event, it makes the time fly.
Well, yeah, it shortens the long winter nights for you when you're sitting on your own.
Exactly.
They're just doing up those black thorns. And carrying them in the daytime and doing them up at night time, and that's the only hobby you'd have.
Right.
When you're living on your own. And
right. Well, anyway, Jack, thanks for the chat. And you know, I'm sorely tempted to give you a belt with that to see what the result would be.
Maybe no more made if that happened. And maybe somebody else would take up the job shortly.
Right. Okay, thank you.